polling for the second phase of J&K Assembly elections, which are taking place after a gap of 10 years, is taking place, and you will see brisk voting taking place. Long queue of young and old in numbers coming out to exercise their franchise. You will notice here that many of them have different issues. Some have job-related issues. We'll speak to some of them. आप आज वोट करने के लिए आए हैं, क्या मुद्दे हैं आपके? आप युवा
बहुत ज़्यादा यहाँ मुद्दे हैं कश्मीर में, बहुत ज़्यादा यहाँ अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट का बहरान है, यहाँ पे डेवलपमेंट के लिहाज से भी इशू है, यहाँ पे अपने दूसरे इशू हैं, उस लिहाज से हम वोट कास्ट करने के लिए यहाँ पे आए हैं।
तो इतने अरसे के बाद एक गैप रहा है, लोग जॉब चाहते हैं,
जॉब भी चाहते हैं, डेवलपमेंट के लिहाज से भी एक मतलब पिछले कुछ सालों से 10 सालों के बाद इलेक्शन हो रहा है, तो इसलिए युवा बहुत आ रहा है वोट डालने के लिए, डेमोक्रेटिक सेटअप के लिए ये बहाल हो जाए, एक अच्छा प्रोसेस है ताकि हम अपना रिप्रेजेंटेटिव दें और वो हमारे मसले हल करें।
So as you heard that they want their representatives to come up. This is the Budgam constituency from where former J&K Chief Minister Umar Abdullah has decided to contest from. He has earlier contested from Birwa, which is a neighbouring constituency, but today he has chose to contest from two constituencies. One is in Budgam and one is in Ganderbal. And Ganderbal has been a family bastion of Abdullah's, but this time around Umar Abdullah deciding to to contest from two seats. Essentially, that if there's a possibility that he loses on one seat because morale has been down, Lok Sabha elections have taken place and Umar has lost them, and that is precisely why they have come to two places. We'll talk to one of them, voters today here. क्या मुद्दे हैं इस इलाके के? युवा चाहते हैं एम्प्लॉयमेंट, डेवलपमेंट चाहते हैं।
यहाँ पे जो अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट बहुत उसकी रेट बहुत बढ़ रही है, तो हम ये उम्मीद रख सकते हैं कि जो इलेक्शंस हो रहे हैं ये हम बहुत ज़रूरी जाना सकते हैं कि हम यहाँ पे आए और अपना नुमाइंदा चुने जिस पर हम उम्मीद लगा सके कि यहाँ पे जो बेरोज़गारी है, यहाँ की हुकूमत जो है वो लोगों के जो दरपेश मसाइल है उनको हल करे। इसीलिए वोट डालना हम बहुत ज़रूरी जानते हैं, क्योंकि पिछले 10 सालों से यहाँ पे जो आप देख सकते हैं कि पिछले 10 साल से यहाँ पे जो गवर्नर राज चल रहा है, तो हम इससे बेहतर कुछ और नहीं जान सकते कि
लोकल रिप्रेजेंटेटिव,
हाँ, लोकल रिप्रेजेंटेटिव बहुत ज़रूरी है।
So as you heard from the local representative is important, and that's why you see that the number of voting has increased, and the voting is taking place at a time when there is no hartal, there is no shutdown, there are no clashes, there are no encounters taking place, there is no bullet, and ballot has replaced bullet, and that's why there's peace on the ground and the numbers have increased year after year. Star candidates like Umar Abdullah, Ravinder Rana, and several of them are contesting this election. Second phase will decide their fate, and there are over 26 lakh voters today exercising their franchise, includes young and old. The main contest remains between the BJP and an alliance formed by the National Conference and the Congress, who are trying their level best to get maximum seats to form a majority and make the government in Jammu and Kashmir. The main political pitch has been 370, statehood, and other developmental issues, including the electricity, including giving free of cost or subsidized gas cylinders, and also schemes for women also are included in manifesto of several political parties. So this remains a top priority for many political parties. But yes, this is an election which is seeing a colorful visuals where number of people are coming out to vote and exercise their franchise in numbers, and that is why these elections are special this year around. But one has to see that who will emerge victorious in these elections.